Namaste. Let's begin our practice for today, waking up the energy of your body. With an inhale, sweep your arms overhead. Exhale, hands to prayer, returning to midline. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath. With each inhale, sweep your arms overhead, keeping your shoulders relaxed, lifting up and out of your waist. And with each exhale, hands to prayer, returning to midline. Moving into a lateral stretch variation, reach one arm overhead with the opposite hand to the earth for support. Return to upright and repeat on the opposite side. Continue flowing from right to left, keeping the weight even in your hips, lifting up and out of both sides of your waist, breathing wide into your side body. Release and return to center. Moving into a seated cat-cow stretch. With your hands to your legs, inhale, lift through your heart. Exhale, round your spine, drawing your chin towards your chest. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath. With each inhale, lift through your heart, tilting your pelvis forward lightly, drawing your shoulder blades down your back, creating a mild back bend. And with each exhale, round your spine, lengthening your tailbone under slightly, coiling your navel back, drawing your chin towards your chest, stretching through your back body. Release and return to center, moving into shoulder rolls. Lift your shoulders up, back, down, and around, gradually increasing your range of motion, moving the energy. Continue breathing deeply as you switch directions. Lift your shoulders up, forward, down, and around. Release and return to center, moving into a gentle neck stretch. Sitting tall, relax your right ear towards your right shoulder. Optional to add the light weight of your right hand to deepen this stretch. Continue breathing deeply, feeling a gentle stretch in the left side of your neck, all the way down into your left shoulder. Release and repeat on the opposite side. Sitting tall, relax your left ear towards your left shoulder. Optional to add the light weight of your left hand to deepen this stretch. As you continue breathing deeply, creating more space and ease through the right side of your neck, all the way down into your right shoulder. Stay connected to your breath as you release, closing our practice for today, placing your hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste.
Now that was good.